Ladies and gentlemen, we are in for a treat today. Manscaped has just come out with their Weed Whacker 2.0. And we are excited about this one because, let's face it, who wants big old cliffhangers up in their nose hairs? You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get this guy on out. We got our little brochure out on the top. Go ahead and fully charge it before you do. Give it a run for its money for the first time. Removing and replacing the blade. We got cleaning. You can rinse it, let it air dry. Before we do get this bad boy out, in the description box right below the video, top link will be the direct link where you guys can check out the Manscaped, the Weed Whacker 2.0. Get 20% off your purchase or anything that Manscaped offers. I'll also show you their beard hedger that I've been using to trim my beard, and it's done a great job. So anyway, free shipping and 20% off of the Weed Whacker 2.0 or any of their other products, Lawnmower 4.0, etc. Let's remove that. And all of their products now are designed like this. You got your button, you got an LED indicator light down here. Again, a removable head, rinse that, pop that back on. Pretty quiet. You definitely don't want to do that probably in the cubicle next to your coworkers. You can if you want. But as we can see there, the LED indicator light there, on and off button, anti-slip silicone handle here, and then shiny gloss black up here. Again, the same design and concept of the beard hedger and the Lawnmower 4.0. A must grooming tool in my opinion. I know girls get nose hairs, but guys, we just get these nasty nose hairs. And this is gonna prevent you, nothing else in the box there. And I know a lot of people don't care, but the product packaging, I like it and they've done a good job. Okay, so anyway, and what I'm talking about is just kind of the display. If you're paying for a product, you want it to obviously work, but the presentation is very nice as well. Anyway, charger USB to USB Type-C, and it's nice they do give you a wall adapter as well because let's face it, we use our other wall adapters for our cell phones, etc. So let's fully charge this.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, beard is looking good because this is their new beard hedger right here. I actually just used it on 5.5 adjustable blade right here. Just turn this little scroll wheel. Removable guard, I actually use that. And I'm actually showing you this because it is a solid product. The other night, didn't have time to get gussied up. Literally took this with the blade guard off, trimmed my beard on my neck here, got rid of the curly cues on my back neck. And then for my birthday dinner, thank you for the birthday wishes, I appreciate that. Again, 5.5, I need to cut my hair, it's getting a little too long, but I just zipped this literally a couple minutes, took a little rag and kind of wiped my face, got any loose hairs off my shirt, went to dinner. Absolutely fantastic. Anyway, so as you can see here, it's designed just like the beard hedger. So the beard's looking good, but this is gonna be way too close for comfort for some of you guys, but I got some hairs in there. I got kind of blonde beard, but those nose hairs can get a little nasty. And again, don't be that guy driving to work in the morning, plucking them out like that. I know it's fun sometimes, but this is just a lot more sanitary. And sometimes, I don't know what's up with the guy. I do it. I literally like, bop! You know, sometimes you just look at how long the hairs are. It's nasty, but you know, we do it. It's things we do. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and get it. And it's these ones right here. I don't really get too much like on the sides or in the back, but it's the ones like right there. And then you're talking, you're like, hey, would you like to go get coffee tomorrow night? And it's like, let's go ahead and get this one right here. You hear it ripping? Oh yeah, there it is. That's what I'm talking about. That's what Daddy likes in the morning right there. Oh yeah, okay. All right. I'll tell you what, you ever heard of nose clipping trimming is it AMSR, ASMR? I'll tell you what, we're looking good there. Okay, woo-wee. And by the way, it's not pulling up my skin. I'm literally digging in here. Check this out. Look at that, we're getting it all. We're getting it all right there. Okay. By the time you're done with this video, you're like, Chris, I think I've seen way too much. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn that bad boy off right there. Looking absolutely fantastic. Let's take a little peek-a-rooney. We're looking really good. I don't think I see anything in there. I think we're looking really good. No, I don't think I have any right there either. Wow, we're looking really nice. Okay, so that is what I'm talking about. Passes the test. I know we're not all supermodels, but keeping yourself a little crispy and looking good, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead, guys, get rid of those nose hairs, and especially if you're older, talking to you older men, my elders, get those ear hairs as well. Just do the world a favor. Gonna work out better for every one of them. Again, passes my test, also passes my test. Again, if you want to get 20% off either the Beard Hedger or the Manscaped Weed Whacker 2.0, that direct link in the description box below. 20% off anything on their website. Doesn't have to be this, anything you want, plus free shipping. Take advantage of that. Again, right below. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like videos like this, tech reviews, DIY van builds, DIY house builds, accent wall, LED, custom LED light slat wall, huge custom rancher modern window, LED lights. I do all of that on this channel. Thank you for your time. Once again, the description box below is that link. We'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.